Hi there, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Now, yesterday I got an email from Airfix asking for my name and address and my phone number because they wanted to send me some samples of something. Now I thought, first of all, obviously, you're also going to claim you're a Nigerian prince with several £billion worth of money coming to you and all you need is my bank account. But no, it was actually genuine. It was from Dale at Airfix. And he said, you'll find out all about it tomorrow. I just wanted to send you some samples. Now, there was me thinking, brilliant. He's going to send me some 3D prints of the Halifax I want them to build that they keep telling me they're never going to do or not going to do in the near future. But no, what it turns out to be, if you follow the Airfix stream on YouTube, you'll know this, is they are launching their own brand of tea and coffee. Yes, you heard me right. Tea and coffee under the brand Modeller's Brew. Now, they've teamed up with Warbird Coffee, which is a company that supports warbirds. They dedicate various brews to various aircraft, and a proportion of their money goes towards helping keep the aircraft going, which is very nice. Of course, once Airfix have got involved as well, I don't know quite how much actually filters down, if you'll pardon the pun, to the actual warbirds, but I don't know. What do you think about it? What do you think Airfix, is it a good idea? Is it a rubbish idea? Do you think Airfix just stick to making kits? Or do you think, yeah, anything that gets the name out there helps and it's a bit of money towards a warbird restoration? Can't be anything bad in that. Let me know what you think. I've set up a poll on the community tab on my home site. I know not everyone can get to that for one reason or another, but if you let me know through the comments anyway, if you can't get to the community tab, otherwise make your vote known. It would just be an interesting thing to feed back to them if they say, so what do you think about this, Gary? I said, well, tell you what my viewers think, and I'll let them know. I'll also let you know when the samples arrive and I'll try them out. Don't know how many they're going to send me, but yeah, I like tea, I like coffee. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll let you know. Do remember to vote, and I'll catch up with you again very soon. Bye-bye now.